Hi, my name is Bobby. I'm a film assistant director, and I give Unity a 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. When I was younger, I started with Basic, and then I moved on to C++, and then I learned some JavaScript when I was in university. But when I wanted to start to get into game development, just to learn about it, nothing like really serious, but when I started game development, then I tried to take those systems that I learned in the past and do something with them, but I didn't. And Unity, I learned a lot of people were using for their game development, and so I started with that, and it turned out that it was really easy. It was really nice to get into it, using the skills that I learned in the past with basic JavaScript and C++. Unity was quite easy to get into. It was free, and it was full of tutorials, lots of assets to download to help me play around with learning how to do VR development and game development. It was a free option that a lot of people were using. A lot of people that I like their games, and they were using Unity to develop with, and so then I played around with it and liked it. It also did virtual reality, so VR development was included into that, and they always upgraded their system. So like there was a new version of Unity coming out every couple months or so, and so there was always something new to learn. Plus, they have like this really great ecosystem where you can download new tutorials, and you can also download new models and things with those tutorials to really learn how to do the things that you want to program with or what you want to develop. And I thought that was really nice. It does involve like a paid system, but the free version is also really yeah, helpful and good. So Unity onboarding was really easy. It was download, install, and you set up a password and username, and then it gives you the options of downloading and installing all these other tutorials and models, a lot of different things that are on their marketplace. You can use your credit card to buy very easily. Um, there's a really open and active community. So the community always is asking questions and answering questions of your own. So it's really easy to yeah, get going on it. Unity is really easy to get started with. I know a lot of people tend to go with Unreal for their development, and it's kind of a different beast. But Unity for me was quite easy to get going with, and it's really simple to collaborate with other people with it. If everybody has the same version of the software and all of the assets for whatever you're developing, it's quite simple to just have one version with one person, and then somebody else was working on another version, and you can combine them together. So if you're looking to create something new and want to learn about development, game development, that Unity is your yeah is your app.